Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial component for any serious audio setup, the Togconn 4-pack of 3-pin XLR cable connectors. This isn't just any set of connectors. It's designed to be the backbone of high-quality audio transmission, offering both reliability and superior performance. What immediately stands out with these Togconn connectors is their robust construction. Each connector features a durable zinc alloy shell. This isn't merely for aesthetics. The zinc alloy provides exceptional shielding against electromagnetic interference, which is absolutely vital for maintaining a clean audio signal. It also gives them a substantial, professional feel in the hand, assuring users of their longevity and ability to withstand the rigors of studio work or live performances. The fact that it comes as a 4-pack, with 2 male and 2 female connectors, is incredibly convenient, providing immediate versatility for building or repairing multiple cables. These are solder-type connectors, which means users get to create a custom, secure connection. While it requires a bit of soldering skill, the benefit is a much more stable and reliable bond compared to crimp-on alternatives. This direct, soldered connection is key to achieving the high conductivity that Togconn promises. High conductivity translates directly into a stronger, more faithful audio signal, ensuring that every nuance of the sound source is captured and transmitted without loss. Furthermore, the design is engineered for ultra-low noise. In the world of audio, noise is the enemy, and these connectors aim to minimize any unwanted hums, buzzes, or static that can degrade a recording or live sound. This makes them an ideal choice for sensitive applications like microphone lines, where clarity is paramount, or for building custom snake cables for complex setups. Whether someone is connecting a high-end condenser microphone, patching into an audio interface, or extending a line for a stage monitor, these Togconn XLR connectors are built to deliver a pristine signal. They are compatible with various devices, primarily microphones, but their utility extends to any equipment requiring a 3-pin XLR connection. For anyone looking to upgrade their existing cables or build new ones with professional-grade components, these Togconn connectors offer a compelling solution for achieving crystal-clear audio.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.